Today we are making some of the Samyang 2x Spicy Hot Chicken Flavor Ramen. As you can see right now, we currently have 600 milliliters of water boiling. We have a cup on standby. We have the noodles at the ready. We have the soup packet and the chili flake at the ready. And while this boils, shall open the fridge and get out a final component just in case it is not spicy enough. Good ol' sriracha hot. Tuangot sriracha. Now, into this I shall add a small bit of a pinch of, well, I'm not going to say what a pinch of. I'm just going to let you know that it makes stuff good. And let you figure that out from there. Another pinch is for good measure. Now for those going, oh, it does not well the purity of everything. I'm adding egg to it. There's no such thing as purity once you add the egg. I don't even need that timer anymore. Well, I do, but yeah. Besides this, now we continue the waiting game. Apologies about the game going on in the background. My folks decided to put on the brewers. If necessary, I will pause and jump cut. Speaking of which, I should grab an egg. This frozen, these yolks, while delicious, will not do me well. I'll just eat it straight, actually. Oh, look, water is boiling. Jump cut. Ah, there we are, back again. Apologies about that. Don't like that jump cutting business. Not exactly into it. Also, apologies about the lighting. Well, can't exactly do much about that. Anywho, now we shall continue to cook for 5 minutes. Thumbs up if you want to see that. Thumbs down if you don't. I thought so. I'll do a quick jump cut shortly. Still, apologies about that angle. Noodles look nice though. And jump cut. Back again briefly, just to point it out that the only reason I'm stopping is because of that little detail right there. Come on, autofocus. There it is. Cooking for 5 minutes. It has been 2 already. And the noodles, they are looking quite happy. I shall report back once we get to the next step. We are back now. It has been 5 minutes, thereabouts. The noodles, upon testing them, have been quite tasty and are a good texture. And it is now time to take care of this. So, I shall now pour off 480 mils, or thereabouts. Let's just get a nice shot of that. Shot. You know, this would be a lot easier if your noodles didn't leave. Come on. The reason I deducted I need to... Oh dear. I seem to have a problem here. Jump cut. Back again, and upon realization, I discovered that, well, I was wrong. I was very wrong. And as such, I'm going to have to measure off into this smaller Pyrex. So, 120. What to do with my left? Just look at that liquid. Delicious. That is close enough. This liquid, I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing with that. Now, from here, shall introduce this back into the pot. There we go, children. And now, I shall now attempt, with one hand, to cut open this. While it's certainly not the hottest thing I've ever consumed, it will still be very hot. I'm going to jump cut, so I can at least cut it. Then I will introduce back into the pan. So, one moment, please. Oh, smells quite nice. Anyways, now we shall reintroduce this into here, making sure every ounce of it is thoroughly squeezed out. I do love that sound. And I will take a small taste. Delightful. Plenty of kick, but still not the nuclear option I was expecting. Here's to hoping that... Ooh, actually, there's a nice burn to it. Now I'm going to stir everything in. Referring to the ingredients, I am to now stir fry it in the pot for 30 seconds. This at least we can watch. Now, I've seen much ado with clickbait and stuff of that nature, where, you know, you have people saying, oh, this is nuclear. And I'm like, you know what, I shall try it. And while I will be fully honest with you, it is not nuclear. It does have a nice bite. Now, it's been 30 seconds, but I might cook it down a little more just to be sure. I'm actually going to now turn off the heat. Well, actually it's not exactly stir frying yet. Oh, actually it is. Well done. Hoping that should help concentrate the flavor into a nice nuclear flavor. You know, I'm going to be honest with you. I was told this stuff is stupendously hot, but I mean, with only 8,000 Scoville units, it's not particularly that bad. Oh, now it's looking good. Ooh, dare say it burns the nose a little. Alright then. I shall see you in a minute. I will serve up. Welcome back. I have brought my sriracha and my chopsticks. I also have a spoon on standby. Let us partake. I've also got to drop them. Alright, now I shall, once my hands figure out their coordination. Ooh, oh. Having to do it through the viewfinder, or rather the screen of my phone, because that's how I'm recording it. Doing my damnedest to try and make sure I get a good shot. You know, just bear with me for a moment. Jump cut. Since my chopstick game is rather weak, I will be honest with you, I've decided to instead use the spoon here. Looks delicious. Best. Not too shabby. We'll say that the bit of sauce I had before was hotter, but all things considered, not too bad. Come on, let me just get a bite, another bite. One moment. It's quite nice. By the way, the seasoning package contained what appeared to be kombu, or at least very small pieces of it, and sesame seeds. Now, I'm just going to add a little of this goodness here. You can say, oh, that might, you know, poison the flavor. I say, what's a little extra heat on top? Shame I don't have any Reapers to go with this, but they aren't in season. Actually, it's starting to burn a little. Hello. Well, This is interesting. Ugh. Apologies about that. Well, that is the... That is our Samyang spicy. Start to finish. Have a wonderful day.